Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. Based on the tone of Zimbabwean prophet Passion Java's ex-wife Lily's post, she seems to be in a reflective and hopeful space right now. She mentions a powerful peace and clarity and being exactly where God wants it to be. After divorce, many people feel relief from ending conflict or misalignment. A focus on stillness suggests personal growth in this season. She might be seeing a divorce as a catalyst that pushed her closer to her purpose, even if it was painful. And her post also thanked the people who prayed for him and encouraged her when she couldn't see it. Divorce can feel isolating, so leaning on a community is common. She seems to be drawing strength from those relationships. Adding to her post, she said, "We are all walking in divine timing." This post symbolizes surrender and trust. Lily may be choosing to see the divorce as part of a bigger plan, not just a loss. Her post reads like someone intentionally focusing on the healing and faith parts of the journey. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.